In this video, you'll learn what is technical analysis, how you can use it in trading, a major difference between fundamental analysis. Let's go. My friend, before we start, I ask you to push like, follow me. My name is Yuri, top of trading new with 55,000 followers. There are also a full course for beginners. Below this video, there would be text version and playlist with all of the lessons. Watch it and enjoy. Let's go. First, about technical analysis, what you should understand. Technical analysis, it is when you analyze price, any asset based on chart, some indicators, some volume analysis, all of that stuff. Even here, take a look on this beautiful website, Investopedia. As you can see how they determine technical analysis. In general, technical analysis looks the following boards type of indicators: price trends, chart patterns, volume, and momentum indicators, oscillator, moving average, support and resistance levels. That's what we do when we analyze entries, instruments by technical analysis. In most cases, the most important statement of technical analysis is that price includes everything. When people expect that some asset will be better, they buy it and price will show to us that it will rise up. I personally trade by using technical analysis in 90% cases. There would be a separate lesson about key levels, about technical patterns that I personally use. There would be a link below. There would be a link on pages because we have text version of those lessons. That would be all in the description. In most cases, when we analyze instruments by technical analysis, what we do first, we analyze the most important part. It is price. We use price behavior, price action. In most cases, people use volume analysis, as you can see here. Take a look on this chart, and by the way, you can open my trading new page and you can see all of this analysis, all of that analysis made by technical analysis. Here, in most cases, in 90% cases, I build analysis, as you can see, for example, like here, mirror area from which price bounced, key levels, all of that stuff. Also, what really important to technical analysis, that price repeat itself, and I would like to share with you some stuff that I personally use. Okay, let's open the most important instruments, for example, like BNB, all of that stuff. First, I use volume. As you can see, we have this volume. It calls horizontal volume. It shows to us value area where a lot of people did trades and accumulate position. In most cases, such areas become support or resistance in the future. Also, I use key levels and trend lines. Take a look, for example, like on Bitcoin. What about key levels? Take a look here. As you remember, here I built key level by this previous low. Take a look how price bounced after that broke it. Also inside in our VIP community, I would like to share some examples of trades that we built and we did. Take a look here on this folder, my best patterns. As you can see, this idea is based on technical analysis. We have key level, price slowly squeezing, breakout strategy. We have another key level, false breakout, also ATR indicator. As you can see, ATR indicator, it's also technical analysis. Lesson about ATR indicator. Take a look. Massive value area and what happened, price broke it. And key level, only technical analysis. Take a look here. Trend line breakout pattern, as you can see. First, second, third time, 3 times price gave to us trend line breakout pattern. Three times it's played out. Another key level breakout. That's, my friends, a technical analysis. The most important reason why I believe in technical analysis and why I use it, because price moves not because some people want it. As you can see, my friend, here I just share with you depth of market and footprint. At this moment, take a look what's going on. Here, as you can see, it gives to us a real market orders. Price moves because, as you can see, at this moment, people open a lot of buy positions. Let's do some other example for you. Take a look here. I would share with you BNB, for example. As you can see, for on BNB, it's better to see it. Take a look, all these trades. Red, it is people sell by market. Blue, people buy by market. You should understand that there are a lot of traders around the globe, and you never will know the reasons why most of them open the positions. But real reason why price moves, because people open transactions. That's all. That technical analysis show to you in different ways how to analyze these orders. Because, for example, if there's some range, why we trade, for example, key level breakout? Because a lot of people set stop losses here, and when price break it, their stop losses create a movement. Lesson about why price moves and how it works, there would be separate lesson, link below, just watch it. Okay, my friends, remember to ask your questions. Remember that we have full advanced course with step-by-step strategies that we use, that we share with our people. Below there will be contacts. Write to our team and ask about advanced course with step-by-step. Thank you.